He does that, standing very still.
Yep.
But I think it really is more of that, okay, let's play.
Right.
And they kind of have herding games, but not really the same.
As long as he lets. As long as he lets her do the herding, I'm not so sure she would like to be herded at all.
You don't think Connie would like to be herded?
No.
This is more the Ani way of playing.
Yep. You gotta get him to do the running. It's hard to get them all in because they're going so fast.